Experts say many mental health problems begin when you're a child. Now Delaware lawmakers are pushing to get more mental health resources to their state's youngest learners. It was a plan they had before the pandemic, but experts say the pandemic has made this issue more important now than ever. NBC10 Delaware reporter Tim Furlong has this Know Your Mind story.
He was in second grade when he tried to hang himself.
This parent didn't want to be identified. He did want you to know he fully supports more counselors and mental health professionals in elementary schools, and that's exactly what Delaware House Bill 100 intends to do.
And they really got him through a tough year.
That counselor right there in the school got his son through a very dark time, and he's now doing much better.
I am U.S. Senator Chris Coons.
Senator Coons and others in the parenting and education worlds have made videos pushing for the bill that, while very expensive, means the ratio of K-5 students to mental health professionals and social workers in their schools gets much better.
I was the only licensed mental health person for 900 children in middle school.
Erin Fano says she had too many kids to handle at a school she used to work in. She says remote learning has made it tougher for her to catch kids' problems in her current school. Some kids have checked out completely, and there's certainly not the level of seamless teamwork where teachers and the mental health pros are in school and constantly communicating about troubled students. And it's not just a problem for kids who already had problems.
There are kids who didn't have any mental health issues who are going to have them now.
Kids are resilient. Adolescents are resilient.
Dr. Megan Walls is a child psychologist with Nemours. She says the good news is kids can bounce back from trauma like a pandemic generally better than adults. But she agrees with Erin. There are going to be more kids with anxiety, depression, and other mental health concerns. Dr. Walls thinks the proposed bill in Delaware will at least mean more well-trained boots on the ground physically in schools, helping the youngest students work through pandemic-related problems and any other issues they're facing.
When you meet kids where they are, you have a much better chance of both catching things early and being able to do that preventive work.
More help for kids when they're little might mean better health and happiness once they're not. Tim Furlong, NBC 10 News.